This is LeetCode problem 35, search insert position. Given a sorted array of distinct integers and a target value, return the index if the target is found. If not, return the index where it would be if it were inserted in order. For this problem, it could be two cases. One is target exists in the array. The other one is target is not in the array. The insertion index will be the first value in the array, greater than the target. We can combine both cases by finding the first value greater than or equal to the target. Binary search will be a very good solution for this problem. We need to follow 4 steps. The first one is to define search space. The first case is target exists in array. Then it could be located at any index within range from 0 to n-1. If target is not in the array and is larger than all elements, its insertion index is n, our search space should cover all indexes within range from 0 to n. Step 2 is to narrow search space. If midpoint value is greater than or equal to target, indicating lower bound is either at the midpoint or to its left, then we should narrow search space toward left, ensuring midpoint is included. If midpoint value is less than target, indicating lower bound is somewhere to the right, we should narrow search space toward the right, ensuring midpoint is excluded. Now, let's look at the coding part. We first define the search space from 0 to n. The exit condition is left less than right. The while loop will break when left and right meet. Midpoint is left plus right floor division by 2. If the midpoint value is greater than or equal to the target, the lower bound is either at the midpoint or to its left, so we should narrow search space toward the left, ensuring midpoint is included. If the midpoint value is less than target, indicating the lower bound is somewhere to the right, then we should narrow search space toward the right, ensuring midpoint is excluded. Left equals to mid plus 1. Eventually, we can return the final value. It could be the left pointer or the right pointer. Either way works. Time complexity is O of log n. Space complexity is O of 1.